to advance. Today we'll discuss about this with the regular functions and arrow function in JavaScript example. We will see in this episode why when we use this with arrow function doesn't work, and when used with a regular function, with a normal function, work. Let's start and make a little demonstration. We have here an object, person. This object contains two properties: name, this, a string property with the value Alice, and a method greet that logs a greeting message to the console here. Outside we call person.greet and output hello, my name is Alice. When you call person.greet, the this inside the method refer to the person object. Okay, let's analyze the code. Let's analyze especially the console.log hello, my name is this.name, because we discussed today about this.name. We have here name with value Alice. Okay, in this function this refer to the object person, because this is inside of this person. And when I write hello, my name is this.name, is this.name is Alice. No, hello, my name is Alice. The method uses this to refer to the object that is calling the method. In this case refers to person. So this.name is the name property of person, which is Alice. The method will log hello, my name is Alice to the console. Okay, let's see now how it works the same method with arrow function. We have here an object person2, property name with value Alice, the function greet, and here we have an arrow function. Okay, let's log. The function work, but when arrive to this part of code, this.name, we see here we received undefined. Why happened this? Arrow function don't create their own this. Instead, they take this from the surrounding scope. In the case of an arrow function, this is not bound to the object that called the function. In this case, the person2 object, as it is in normal function. Arrow function does not create its own this. Instead, this is taken from the context in which the function was defined, the scope from which it is called. Let's see the context of this. In the case of our arrow function, greet is in arrow function defined inside the person2. No? Okay, it's here. But the arrow function take this from the outer context, which in the case of top level code that is not in a method or another object will be this global. In the browser it will refer to the window. If name is not defined globally, this.name will be undefined. Okay. Idea is that with arrow function this doesn't work. we can invoke immediately this function using an immediately invoke function expression, and you will see that in that way will work. Hello, my name is Alice. What I do here, I have from this time I have a normal function. Do you see here? Method greet is an arrow function, doesn't work. Method greet is a normal function, an anonymous function, and work. Doesn't matter if I have it inside, but my function is a normal function, is not an arrow. The arrow function is now an immediately invoking function expression. This means it gets executed immediately after being defined. Greet is a normal function. I say that, you see here. So this refers to the person tree object. This refers from this object, person tree. Thus this.name refers to person tree.name, which is Alice. Person tree.name Alice. The normal greet functions create a context where this is bound to the person tree object. Inside greet, the arrow function retrieves this outer context from greet, where this correctly refers to person tree. The arrow function is executed immediately, and this.name will be Alice because this comes from the person tree object. Since the arrow function inherits this from the surrounding greet method, which belongs to person tree, it can access this.name and output hello, my name is Alice. Let's see again. We have here a normal function. We have here an arrow function. Sorry. We have here a normal function, and we have here an arrow function, and finally we have an immediately invoke function expression. Retain for this that this doesn't work with arrow function. If you want to access inside object and you want to use with this.name, should to create a normal function, not an arrow function. That was all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm waiting for you in the next episode. All the best.